Hey lovely people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for existing. Thank you for being in this space with me. As you guys know, this is my travel and lifestyle channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul. This is also day 2 of my Vlogmas. Okay, this is going to be a mini Nordstrom haul. Some of my Black Friday items that I ordered. But I'm just going to show you guys what I got. And if you have any questions or if you want to see anything, if you want me to wear anything, feel free to comment and I'll make another video. I'll make a TikTok with it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel, drop some love in the comment section, tag a friend. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Rosie Abroad. You can follow my personal pages. The links are below as well. All right, so let's get into this mini haul and let me guys know what you like or don't like. Okay, so let's get into these boxes. I really don't remember what I ordered, but that's okay. I think I ordered 2 tops, I remember. A black and white top. Oh, yeah, I did order these. Haha. I got some, what is this? Camel, just little like bedside slippers. And, oh, these are very cute. I really do not recall. That's the return label. Okay, BPMAE. These are from BP. I have no idea what brand that is, but that's okay. But yeah, these are little house slippers that I ordered. Very cute. Plus. And then the next package is gonna be, oh yes, I do remember. Okay, so yes, I got a white top or tan and this one is black. But here are the tops that I got. These are some turtlenecks. You can never go wrong with a black turtleneck. Love it. Super cute. I need to definitely have to wash that before I put it on. And then the white one. This is more of like a creamish color. Okay, yeah, perfect. I love these. They look so cozy and they're gonna look great with all my outfits. Great. Okay, so now my diffuser that all right, so this is Serene House. I just ripped that off, but Serene House ultrasonic diffuser. Cool. I got this essential oil. It's from Aloe or Aloe Sleep and Downshift. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Maybe it'll smell better when it's in there, but right out of the bottle, it smells like medicine. And we'll try it tonight and see what that smells like. Maybe that's why it was on sale, because it smells like caca, literally. So I did set up the diffuser and it's so cute. I love the light and everything. I did use this Sleep and Downshift essential oil blend. It's not my favorite scent in the world, but it definitely smells better out of the bottle. Like the diffuser, it smells a little bit better, but I'm probably just gonna use some of my other essential oils, but it is what it is. I did give it a try, but I really do love the diffuser, so I'm excited to get some other oils in there and then we'll go from there. So thank you so much for tuning in once again. This is day 2 of my Vlogmas. This mini Nordstrom haul was fun. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you like it. If not, catch the next video. Maybe you'll like that one. Also, one more reminder to subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, share my content, follow me on socials, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Rosie Abroad, or you can follow my personal pages. All right, thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.